The Razr 50 Ultra versus the Galaxy Flip 6. Which one is the best flip phone of 2024? Both phones have similarities and differences, but one of them stands out as the best flip phone you can buy right now. Samsung and Motorola are the leading companies in selling flip phones, and this year, both of them splashed us with the Galaxy Flip 6 and the Razr 50 Ultra. Both phones promise sleek designs and features that appeal to flip phone enthusiasts. But which one truly stands out? Let's dive deep into the detailed comparison to help you make a choice. Design-wise, both phones look relatively similar, with the Razr 50 Ultra featuring a slightly larger 6.9 OLED panel compared to the 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED display on the Flip 6. Both phones offer Full HD+, ensuring sharper and vibrant visuals. Samsung's display tend to have bolder, warmer colors, while Motorola's slightly more subdued but equally detailed. The internal screens on both phones are equipped with LTPO technology, supporting vibrant refresh rates of up to 120Hz on Samsung and 165Hz on Motorola. This ensures smooth scrolling and responsiveness, whether you're browsing the web or playing games. The cover display is a crucial aspect of any flip phone. Samsung Flip 6 features a 6.4-inch Super AMOLED cover screen, which is impressive, but it is overshadowed by Motorola's 4-inch panel. Both devices come with an enhanced aluminum frame and hinge, promising increased scratch resistance. They feature Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on both front and back, and the matte finish ensures the phones remain smudge-free. The Galaxy Flip 6 comes in a vibrant array of colors including blue, yellow, silver, shadow, and meat. Exclusive colors like white and peach are available through Samsung's website. In comparison, the Razr 50 Ultra comes in green, blue, peach, and hot pink. The Razr 50 Ultra round edges give it a slimmer feel, enhancing its ergonomics while holding it in the hands. Both phones come with the IP48 rating. However, the Razr 50 Ultra falls short of Samsung's dust-resistant capabilities. It offers superior protection against dust and water, making it a reliable companion for various environments. Under the hood, both devices are powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon processors, but there are key differences. The Razr 50 Ultra uses the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 3, which offers a slightly downgrade in CPU clock speed and GPU performance compared to the Samsung's processor, which delivers top-notch performance, handling intensive tasks and gaming with ease. The inclusion of a vapor chamber helps keep the device cool during intensive use. However, everyday tasks and gaming run smoothly, with minimal frame rate drops even in demanding games like Genshin Impact. Both phones come with 12 GB of RAM, but the Flip 6 comes with 256 GB of storage compared to the 512 GB on the Razr 50 Ultra. Battery performance is crucial for any smartphone, and both devices come equipped with 4000 mAh batteries. In real-world usage, both phones manage to last through a full day of moderate to heavy use, though you might find yourself reaching for a charger by bedtime. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 supports a 24-watt wide charging, which is adequate but slower compared to Motorola's 45-watt wide charging, allowing for quicker top-ups. This can be a significant advantage if you're often on the go and need to recharge quickly. Wireless charging is also supported, providing flexible for charging options. Before we continue, guys, make sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I've also opened up a membership program for the channel, so if you'd like to support me directly, I'll leave a link in the description down below. For the cameras, both phones have an upgrade in the camera department this year, though it seems the Razr 50 Ultra wins on megapixel count. You see, while both foldables sport a 50 megapixel main sensor, the Razr 50 Ultra offers a matching 50 megapixel 2x telephoto lens, while the Flip 6 boasts a 12 megapixel ultra-wide. It's a new camera with better low light and HDR performance granted, but it still caps out at 12 megapixels. Of course, there is much to the camera performance than just megapixel count. However, I will say that higher megapixel camera allows for pixel bending tech to further boost low light and image quality, something the Flip 6 12 megapixel ultra-wide can't offer. Both phones offer comprehensive camera modes including Portrait, Pro Mode, and the ability to shoot in RAW format. They also support 4K video recording at 30 and 60 frames per second, with Motorola's camcorder adding a more nostalgic touch. When it comes to software and features, Samsung has really taken it to another level. The Flip 6 comes with One UI with extensive AI tools, such as enhanced photo editing, interpreter mode, and various customization options for the cover screen. However, running apps on the cover screen requires downloading additional software like GoodLock, which sometimes may not work perfectly as you want. Motorola offers nearly stock Android experience, which is clean and easy to navigate. It includes useful gesture controls like quick flash activation and basic AI features for photo enhancements. Motorola allows you to run any app on the cover screen out of the box, although some may not perform optimally. Opening the phones one-handed is an important aspect of usability. The Razr 50 Ultra is easier to open due to its less stiff hinge and rounded edges. The Galaxy Z Flip 6, with its stiff hinge and flat edges, can be slightly more challenging to open one-handed. Both devices are designed for multitasking with split-screen capabilities, allowing you to run multiple apps simultaneously. The large internal displays make it easy to watch videos while browsing the web or checking emails. When it comes to the pricing, the Galaxy Flip 6 is more expensive than the Razr 50 Ultra, starting at $1,050 for the base 256GB and $1,000 for the base 512GB Razr 50 Ultra. The Motorola Razr 50 Ultra is priced at slightly cheaper than the Flip 6, offering a slightly price advantage. So, to sum up things, both devices have their strengths and cater to different user preferences. Ultimately, the choice between the Galaxy Flip 6 and the Razr 50 Ultra comes down to personal preference and specific needs. Whether you prioritize design, performance, or software experience, both phones offer compelling features that make them stand out in the flip phone market of 2024. But if you're expecting 2024 to be the year of foldables, then I had to tell you that you'll have to wait. The foldable market seems to have peaked with slight changes to the phones, but let me know what you think in the comments down below. I would love to hear what your opinions are on the state of folding phones.